was a wheel speed sensor. Majority of the E90s, if you do have these set of 3 lights right here, is from a combination of a wheel speed sensor and then your brake pad sensor. We'll be turning up the 6870 in the car on the base map in the last video. Just got a little clips riding around, went on the ski trip, but we are back. Had gotten a lot of clips and some work done to the F30. We just dropped the last video on that, restoring my blown F30 335i, what a lot of people saw me build first. If you haven't checked that out, make sure you check it out in the link in the description. I'll probably put it up on the screen right here as well. Shout out to Pulsar for sending us the new 6870 turbo, letting us be one of the first people to get data on a BMW, especially one of the first people to get this turbo on an N54. No, this is not a sponsor. We will be glad to take a sponsor. Make sure to give me a follow if you want to see more crazy BMW content and turning up the 6870 on my $1,000 E90 N54 with a ZF8 swap.
Like any minute, money more. Now she got the best though. Flamingo, rebel sticks on this.
Just pulled up to the shop, getting cars situated. As you saw, we just got a bottom mount single turbo kit finished on a 335 IS. Follow the Instagram on the screen right here where we post daily clips of what we're doing at the shop. After all the comments of people telling me to paint the M3 bumper, when it is painted, we will be throwing on this gloss black front lip we do have. It's gonna look sick. Everyone can get off my dick now talking about paint the bumper. As you know, that is the last of my worries with all the work we are trying to do on this car in a short amount of time. Winter is coming by quick. We got a gift for you, Maury. Christmas from Swift Motorsports.
That's for the scratch.
Bruh.
Can't say we never did nothing for him. That should save him a couple pounds right there.
Ooh, buddy.
Carbon flyer.
Shop real quick, had to pull up on my boy KJ. As everyone already seen on the channel, our boy Curly from the EcoBoost to the Audi, he has stepped up the game. Got going on, man.
You know what I'm saying? You got black wing. Oh yeah, you see the sparkle on it and everything. The flake on it.
Curly done stepped up the game, man. What's going on, man?
I'm finally kind of a fast guy. Like, I'm gonna be a real fast guy in 2 weeks though. Y'all stay tuned for that.
Oh man.
I'm gonna let him get me, y'all. I'm gonna let him go ahead and get me. Go get some content. Go buy fast parts.
He said, bet coming soon. Yeah, still, man.
Yeah,
this
definitely.
Just Curly said next track day he is gonna be outside.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Girlie said, bet gonna be on the track. You gonna
Oh,
fuck
yeah.
up, you gonna fuck up the BMWs, man. You can't.
Man, it's gonna be Swift vet.
Oh man.
Swift Motorsport, man.
They about to put me on suicide watch. Can't choose what color I'm feeling today. They got us a two-tone watch. He don't like what I'm doing, he probably a say it, but he'll never do somebody. My big brother like Marshawn Lynch, he'll run through somebody.
It's the best time.
Yo, look, you gotta catch this brother.